headline earnings, guidance, importantly, monetizing AI, those are the key metrics. Are they going to justify what continues to be a premium valuation? How are you approaching mega cap tech?
I think this is another area where the story is moving so quickly that markets and commentators can barely keep up. And we know that the advances with AI, it's become self-propelling, essentially. The AI is in itself allowing the cycles to be shorter and progress and innovation to be faster. I think what we're seeing now, and this comes out of your region, is the very notion that we could have, and with Deepseek as an example, simply, we could have the first mover advantage could quickly be eroded by some of these large tech companies that have invested billions in maintaining an edge with AI. And a lot of the froth could well be built into that first mover advantage being maintained. If that, in fact, is illusory, and if there are upstarts that can quickly grab that advantage, grab market share cheaper with cheaper chips, I think that's going to be a serious game changer for the sector. So we don't know yet whether this will affect the current earnings and the reception that they get. But I would say that that's something we have there as a big risk factor for this year, that this has been too priced for perfection.
Price for perfection. And then you've got the Stargate factor as well. It's very clear that this administration is very committed to mandating these mega projects. Is the market going to have a tough time pricing or perhaps overpricing the productivity premium from these deals, because certain members of the administration, like Elon Musk, are already pouring cold water over them? How difficult is Stargate going to be a game changer? Is it a paradigm shift? And does that mean the valuations should give us conviction?
A very good question. And I'd say with the fast pace of the administration, changes of personnel, changes of policy, shutdown of entire departments at the moment, it really is a complete open book, I'd say, at this point, or even a black box, to use another analogy. We don't know at this stage where the next policy change will be. We don't know if there is a desire to break things in order to make them better, or if there is instead a desire to maintain in a coasting way this nice upwards trajectory that has really continued pretty much in an uninterrupted way since 22. So why would anybody rock the boat at this stage? Why would anybody seek to break something with a change in policy? So I don't think it will be a game changer, but I also agree that I do not think it's very possible to model something like this.